Still looking for that special element to bond chemically with for life? Are you lacking a full valence shell? Look no further. Meet titanium.
Titanium is a transition metal found in the D block of the periodic table. It has a silvery metallic color and is solid at room temperature. With the atomic number 22, this element finds its home in the fourth period and has an atomic mass of 47.867. Although titanium is a mother of 5 isotopes, this hot mama has maintained a beautiful hexagonal, closely packed crystal shape. This element still got it going on, with a boiling point of 3,287 degrees Celsius and a melting point of 1,668 degrees Celsius. But don't step too close, fellas, because titanium will spontaneously combust in open air before reaching its melting point.
In its pure state, this element is a lustrous white metal that weighs 4.5 grams per cubic centimeter. Titanium is ductile and malleable when heated. Although Mama makes it rain in the club, titanium is insoluble in water, however soluble in concentrated acids. Titanium has low electrical and thermal conductivity and is resistant to corrosion. It reacts with oxygen at 1200 degrees Celsius in air and 610 degrees Celsius in pure oxygen, creating titanium dioxide.
Too good to be true? We'll get a load of this.
Titanium was first discovered in 1791 by Reverend William Gregor. This English pastor found black metal magnetic sand that resembled gunpowder in the stream. Intrigued by the sand, he took it upon himself to analyze it, finding that it was largely magnetite and the impure oxide of a new metal, which he described as a reddish-brown calx. This calx turned yellow when dissolved in sulfuric acid and purple when reduced with iron, tin, or zinc. Gregor concluded that he was dealing with a new metal which he named maniconite.
4 years later, a German chemist named Martin Klaproth experienced the thrill of discovering a new red metallic element in the mineral rutile in Hungary, which he rightfully named titanium. Little did they know that titanium and maniconite were the same element.
Just like the hot mama she is, titanium's properties are highly desirable and is primarily found in the minerals rutile, ilmenite, and sphene. Even Mother Nature wants a piece of titanium, as it makes up 0.57% of the Earth's crust, making it the 9th most abundant element in the Earth's configuration. She's found in coal ash, plants, the sun, meteorites, and the human body.
Titanium is made in 4 steps, where it is reduced into a sponge and the sponge is melted. Next comes primary fabrication, where it's converted into a general mill product, and finally secondary fabrication, where the finished shape is formed.
Commercially, titanium is produced using the Kroll process, where oxide is converted to chloride by carbochlorination to make TiCl4. It is then condensed and purified by fractional distillation, reduced with 800 degrees Celsius molten magnesium in an argon atmosphere. Talk about working on her figure.
Titanium loves to give back by spreading her love through technology such as propeller shafts, airplanes, missiles, firearms, laptops, and rockets like the rocket she is. This element is also helpful in the health industry, as it is non-toxic and does not react with the human body. So she is used to create artificial hips, biological implants, joint implants, dental implants, pins for setting bones, surgical instruments, wheelchairs, and crutches. In everyday use, titanium is mostly used to create white paint, toothpaste, sunscreen, paper, plastic, cement, fishing rods, golf clubs, bicycles, watches, and jewelry.
Not quite hooked yet? Titanium can withstand extreme temperatures and is the only element that burns in nitrogen. It is as strong as steel, but 45% lighter. That's right, boys. Still not convinced?
Titanium has been to the moon and back as it is used when creating aerospace technology.
Titanium has an optical dispersion higher than a diamond.
What a gem! Whoa! Titanium tetrachloride, a compound made from titanium, forms into a white substance similar to clouds. It's used in skywriting and for movie smoke effects.
Rocks from the Apollo 17 mission contained up to 12.1% titanium dioxide. Still looking for that stable relationship? Add titanium to your valence shell today.
To bond with titanium, call 1-800-ELEMENT-EXTENSION-TI. Go to www.findmybond.com/titanium22.